Welcome to video number 2. This is the second of a series of about 15 videos that I'm going to do in the next 2 weeks. They're going to pop up every day. So let's get started on how to find products to drop ship using something called Amzscout. Amzscout is an extension, and you're going to probably, your first thoughts are, well, that's for Amazon FBA. Well, let me tell you how I use it, and I'm going to show you how I use it to do drop shipping. Not only that, I would encourage you to consider if and when your drop shipping takes off, you can consider taking some of that profit using Amzscout and buying your own products. That's what I did. So that's why I have Amzscout. I have a product that I sell on Amazon, Etsy. It's my own product. I designed it to match a niche that I found through Amzscout that I'm selling, and I do sell that product every week. Several times. So let's take a look at what Amzscout is and how to get it. First of all, if you're on Chrome, you're going to go up here and you're going to add it as an extension. Now there is a trial, and I would encourage you to use my affiliate link in my description. I'd really appreciate that. And then we're going to talk a little bit about what Amzscout is. This is going to be a little bit longer because it's probably a new concept. But to find an extension, you go to the 3 little dots in the top right. Go to More Tools, and you'll see down here. So the easiest way for you to get that extension is to click in the description below. It'll take you right to this spot. You can put the extension in and you have a little free trial to try this out. So let's talk a little bit about what it does and how it works, and I'm going to show you on my side after I just go through something that might be important here. It's a research tool. Yes, it's on Amazon, but whatever's selling on Amazon is going to sell on eBay, obviously. So you're going to find products, it'll validate whether it's worth your time, and then there's a ton of data on that product. So this site, it does cost once you get through the free trial. And if you look at the Amazon Sellers Bundle, it is an amazing sale right now. I've been with Amzscout for a couple years now, and this is a good deal. And actually they give you a course with it and a whole bunch of other stuff. So it's worth the $300 if that's something that you're tailored toward, or you're just serious about making some money, then this probably would be worth it. It's not only going to give you the options to drop ship things, but it's also going to give you that door to learn how to do Amazon FBA, which, you know, Amazon is a killer right now. So just take a look down here. I wanted to show you, if you scroll down right now, it says how to find products to sell on Amazon. You might as well just cross that off and put eBay as well, because they're going to be the same things. And what that does is it just gives you a ton of information. So check that out. But let's get into finding some products, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what Amzscout Pro extension looks like. You're going to get to this spot and you're going to add it to Chrome. You want to add extension once it gives you that option. So what does it do? It just works in the background basically while you're on Amazon. So when you're on Amazon, this is Amzscout Pro popping up. It's going to just teach you as you go, and the evolution of this extension has been fantastic in the last couple years, because it basically teaches you from scratch. You don't need to know anything. It gives you little tutorials within it. You can see in the background of the pop-up that it's getting results already on what I have on my front page of my Amazon. So this is basically a tutorial. If you're a beginner, you want to hit this. If you're an expert, hit that. I always want to learn more, so I'm going to put beginner, and you're going to enter a product or a niche. So this is where, if you have an idea or it's time of year that you're going to look at for something or a product, you just pop it in there. But you'll get an idea of monthly sales, reviews, and bestseller ranks. So let's just put in a kids pool because it's early June. I'm going to click check if profitable. So this may be good, this may be bad. I haven't checked it prior, but this is the information it's going to give you. It's going to tally the information. It's going to grab it from the front page of Amazon. It's amazing because it saves you a lot of time. You see the tallying. The results are 18 products. The average monthly sales is in this category. You can see them changing as it tallies. And it gives you a lot of information. Reviews. The niche score is important because the higher the score, the more likely that you're going to actually make money. Now this is because it's not like an evergreen, the niche history, because of the winter, people aren't buying pools. Okay, so how likely are you out of 10 are you going to succeed with this product is a 6 out of 10. That's not too bad. Very rarely do you get anything that's an 8 or a 9. It's kind of like a low average. As you can see, the indicators of the green over here, the competition is medium. So this gives you a really good idea of whether or not something's going to sell. So let's take a look over here if you can find, but it's giving you like little pop-ups of information. Let's just click next and see where it takes you. So it takes you to, here is the number 1 and number 2, or number 2 and number 3. I don't know where number 1 went, but it shows you the pool that's selling. It's going to tell you the brand, the category that it's listed in, and that's important. Sometimes it's in a different kind of category and it sells better or worse, but you can see the prices, sales, revenue, number of reviews. If it has a ton of reviews, it's probably not something you want to pick, like 3,000 reviews, because it's already established in that niche and it's going to pop up on the front page. If you want to compete with something, you want to get something with less reviews, something under 500 is better. Like here's one that actually is ranked number 18. This isn't too bad. That has only 5 reviews and it seems to be making a good bit of money. So this is how you would use Amzscout. You can take these ideas from Amazon and plug them into eBay. This is doing a manual search that people aren't doing as much anymore. So my opinion is there's so much automation now with drop shipping that you got to go back to the drawing board and do some of your own manual searching for some products. But if this is something that interests you, check out the description below and check in tomorrow for a new idea on how to search products.